chances are you're looking for a legit way to make money online. Hey, my friend Garrett here, and inside this video, I'm going to share with you a way that I've personally been using the last 4 years to make a full-time income from home, working about an hour or so. So keep watching. All right, my friend, now my number one recommended way to make money is called affiliate marketing. Now, whether or not you've heard of this before, I'm gonna urge you to keep watching because I'm gonna share with you why I highly believe affiliate marketing is the easiest and fastest way that an average person can come in, no matter what their experience level is, and start making consistent money. Okay, affiliate marketing is basically where you go, you find a product online, you promote it, and anytime you make a referral, you actually get paid money into either your bank account or your PayPal account. Now, again, I'm going to share with you why it's so simple and why I believe it's the easiest way to make money and it's a legit way. But first off, I want to share with you some proof that I am actually practicing what I'm preaching and I have made money online. So I'm in one of my Gmail accounts right now, and I was actually promoting an affiliate program and product called Motor Club of America for a while. And as you can see, congratulations from the sale, congratulations from the sale, and I can just keep scrolling. And I was making consistent sales and referrals every single day. Now, I was an affiliate for this product, okay? So I didn't create MCA. I didn't have to, customize it or spend all that time. I just found it. I got an affiliate link, which is a link that you can share online. And anytime someone bought that product through my link, I got credit and I got a portion of that money. Okay, and I was making $80 a referral, and as you can see, I was making it virtually daily and many in a day. This one I got, July 14th, I actually got 3 in a day, and I've done a lot of other products in affiliate marketing as well. But I want to share with you now why I believe it's so simple and how to actually plug into affiliate marketing. If you're looking for a legit way, I'm going to share with you how to get off the ground running and some of the mindsets and tips that I've used to do this consistently. Now, again, you may be wondering, why is affiliate marketing recommended? Why, after my 4+ years online, trying tons of different things, drop shipping, eBay, tons of things, why do I recommend affiliate marketing? Well, the first reason is you do it already. Now, you may be saying, Garrett, I've never done affiliate marketing before, or maybe you've tried it, but you're actually doing it all the time. See, anytime you watch a movie and you tell your friend, oh my gosh, I saw this new movie, you have to go see it. And if they go see that movie, you've officially become an affiliate marketer for that movie. Okay, anytime you're recommending anything to someone, you go to a new restaurant in the area and you eat and you're like, man, this is a really good restaurant. And you tell maybe your friend, hey, you got to check this restaurant out. You've just recommended them. You've just become an affiliate for that restaurant, for that movie theater, and you've recommended them. Now, the only difference between affiliate marketing online per se and going to a movie is you're actually getting credit and rewarded for promoting. DirecTV, the popular company, has an affiliate marketing program. You can actually become an affiliate for DirecTV and recommend people and get credit. Amazon.com has an affiliate program. You can actually find something, a product or something you like on Amazon, get your affiliate link and recommend a friend to that, and you can make money. So affiliate marketing, tons of companies are doing it, but I'm gonna get deeper on the thing that I really recommend if you wanna make some good money. I'm talking about, $100 a day or more, okay? And do it in a very quick and easy way. Another reason I recommend it is it takes very little time each day. If you are promoting or recommending something to people, it doesn't take hours a day of slaving. It doesn't take hard manual labor. It's very, very simple. Other things online, you have to be on your computer all day. If you've tried surveys, I've tried doing that in the past. I would answer surveys and I'd have to answer all these questionnaires all day to barely get paid, pennies. I tried telemarketing, okay? I was on the phone all day answering people's questions and complaints. And it took me all day to make a very small amount. But affiliate marketing, you can recommend things very easily. It saves hundreds of hours and money. So, a lot of times if you want to make money online, you have to sell a product. That's how you make money. You go out there, someone sells a product in exchange for money. Well, if you go and try to create your own product, which a lot of people do online to make money, you're spending hours of research, thousands of dollars of money, and you don't even know if that product will sell. The power of affiliate marketing is You can just find a product online or a service or an opportunity that's already making money, that's already selling, and you can just recommend that to people that are interested, and you can start making money coming in. I mean, it doesn't take a lot of hours and it doesn't take a lot of money. Now, what are some steps to make money with affiliate marketing, right? How can you get started? If you're watching this and you're going, Garrett, I see it, I understand, because again, I've even done Forex trading. I recommend that too, but you need money to do that, right? You need to invest into a secure account and then start to let that grow. And it's not as fast, okay? Like it can take some time, but with affiliate marketing, again, it's very, very quick. Now, first off, the first step is you have to obviously find a product or an opportunity, okay? There's a lot of products out there. There's a lot of opportunities, and you need to find one to go ahead and promote. If you're not promoting anything, obviously you're not going to be selling anything and you're not going to be making any money. So you have to find a product or an opportunity. Number two, there's really two kinds of affiliate products out there. One of them is free and one of them is you pay and then you can promote it. And I'm actually going to share with you very quickly why I recommend a certain one. Now, I've done free affiliate marketing, right? I found a free product online and I've tried to promote it, but it never really worked out for me. I know tons and tons of people, my friends, it never worked out. And the issue is when you try to do free, first off, you're not getting any training, okay? So you don't know exactly how to promote that product. You're also usually not getting a part of a community or a team of people that will support you and help you with what's working with them to promote that specific product. And you're really missing out on a lot of the tools needed to do that. But the ones that you can actually pay to promote, right? You can join an opportunity and then you invest into that business opportunity and then you get an affiliate link and promote it. I recommend doing that because honestly, most of those are going to come with proven training. You're also going to get a part of a team and a community, which usually comes with a private Facebook group that you can get access to and post your questions and post your concerns. And you'll have all these people, hundreds of people answering your questions and actually helping you rather than trying to go at it on your own and struggle for years, okay? Also, when you pay to promote, oftentimes there's tools, right? There's copy-paste ads you can post on Facebook and Twitter and things like that to start making referrals and sales. And when you do it on the free way, yes, it's free, but you're really costing yourself tons of hours and tons of time. So it's really, do you want to just invest a tiny investment and get all those tools and resources or try to do it free and struggle? So you kind of got to decide, but I'd highly recommend to pay. And there's very affordable ones. By the way, I'll include my #1 recommended affiliate marketing program to plug in and start getting access to all that stuff very easily in the description below. Now, number 3 is you want to pick one site to build followers on. If you want to market, okay, you have to first build an audience, people that are actually following you, and then you can recommend your product that you're promoting to that audience. And a lot of people try to build followers on Instagram. They try to build followers on Facebook, if they want to promote on social media. And the issue is they spread themselves too thin. You want to pick one site. Let's say you love Facebook, or let's say you like taking pictures. Then I would focus on Instagram. Pick one and then put all your energy into that and then work to build followers. So you build this audience. So then when you promote your product, you're going to be making sales. And last but not, or it may be 1 or 2 more, but number 4, post at least 1 time per day. Okay, so you want to post consistently. Now, what do you post? Well, you want to post things relevant to the product you're promoting. So if you're promoting a make money product, right, a product that teaches people how to make money online, well, you can give tips from that product on how to make money online. And then you can basically tell people, hey, I've learned this from this product. If you want to learn more, go to this link. And then you can send them basically interested people to your sales page. Every affiliate marketing product or service or opportunity that you join is going to have a sales page or video. That's what's going to be selling it for you. So you don't have to go out there and learn sales and all that stuff. You basically can, let's say you pick Facebook, start to build friends on your Facebook profile, post at least once a day tips or value or quotes, things like that. And then once people start following you, getting interested, send those people to your sales page selling that product. And you can literally, every time someone signs up, every time someone buys, you can make a good percentage, okay? So These are my 5 steps. This is why I recommend the legit, easy way to make money online if you're just starting is really affiliate marketing. And again, I'm gonna include my #1 recommendation. It's 100% commissions. So unlike a lot of these affiliate programs that you pay, 50% of your commission goes to the company and you only keep 50% to yourself, I'm gonna include a link below where you can get 100% commissions and really start making some great money. So again, I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure to click the like button below, share it with your friends and anybody this helps. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. And again, check out the link below, check that out. And I really think you're gonna like it. Get started if it's interested, and I'll personally work with you on exactly how I created those sales that I showed you in the beginning of the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next page.